gravestones in there dedicated to floating folk that worked these canals for so many years. It's worth a walk around and looking for the folk family names on the stones. Sculptor. If you're not sure what CBOA is, it's the Commercial Boat Operators Association, and they promote inland water transport, be it on narrow or wide canals. Steered here by David Blagrove with the statutory CRT necklace on. Sculptor returning past, advertising the Commercial Boat Operators Association, which is the UK's champion of inland waterways transport. Of course, transporting on water are virtually friction-free, and you can get one guy shipping something in the order of 50 tons, and he doesn't put anywhere near the amount of emissions into the atmosphere